Jefferson struggled with losing his friend, I had a revelation. I don't have any friends.
Why do you think that is?
I don't know.
Well, asking the question would be the first start.
Don't patronize me.
I'm not, and I wouldn't. In order to have a whole couple, we must have whole persons. So I'm going to be seeing you individually, as well as together. So tell me more about you. What do you like doing?
You mean like hobbies? I don't have any. I mean, I have my work and I have my family and that's it.
Is that enough?